What is art appreciation? Art is a creative expression that reflects human imagination, emotion, and technical skills. It can take many forms such as painting, music, dance, or sculpture, and serves to communicate ideas and evoke feelings. Appreciation refers to recognizing and valuing the beauty, effort, and message conveyed through art. It involves being attentive and open-minded, allowing us to understand and enjoy the deeper meanings behind artistic works. Together, art and appreciation enrich our lives by fostering connection, insight, and emotional growth. Why is art appreciation important? Why should we care about art appreciation? Because it enhances your perspective. Art exposes you to new ideas, cultures, and ways of saying the word. Develop critical thinking skill. Analyzing art requires you to think deeply, evaluate evidence, and form your own opinions. Increases your creativity. Art can spark your own creative ideas and inspire you to think outside the box. Connect you to history and culture. Art provides insight into the past and present, helping you understand the human experience. Enrich your life. Art can bring beauty, joy, and meaning to your everyday experience, making your life more fulfilling. Summary. Art appreciation is a journey of discovery involving observation, analysis, interpretation, and personal connection. By understanding the elements and principles of art, considering the context, and forming your own opinions, you can unlock the value and meaning of art. Practical tips for art appreciation. Talk to others about art. Share your thoughts and opinions with friends, family, or classmates. Listen to their perspective. Discussing art with others can help you to see it in new ways.